was a lady here first. There. Close. Yeah, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Madiha. I'm from Pakistan. I also run one of the corporate accelerators there with a company called Telenor. So I have a two-part question. One is, what does success look for the projects that you take on, the startups or the pilot projects? How do you define their KPIs of success? Is it like them growing into scale-ups or finding investors or helping solve the problems? And the second question is, do they pay a fee to your program? Are you charging them something? Are you taking equity, or what is the model there?
So Telenor, great friends of ours in many parts of the world. Great to have you here. We in our programs, like I said, it's fairly new. So we're still in our sort of team building mode for this. But no, second question first, we do not charge. We work with a very agnostic model where we think that there's not a one-size-fits-all, but we really do specifically identify where the fit is for the startups and the entrepreneurs we want to work with. We have the possibility to make investments. We have a venture arm that we can use as one of our tools. But in terms of success, we don't see investments as being a success. Success is when we scale together, and that really is, like I said, our mission is to find the next bet in our industry. And if that is something that we incorporate, we acquire, and we build inside Ericsson, or if it's something that we build in a joint venture, it doesn't really matter. The success here is to continue to solve those problems. And sometimes it's not continuing to solve those problems, but getting those people on board to solve another problem. So many versions of success, I would say.
Yeah, on the Foundry part, I think there is two ways to answer the question. It's what success look like from Unilever point of view. And our KPIs have evolved along the way. First of all, we've been a 5-year-old program. So I think it's already a sign that it's been delivering impact to Unilever. Initially, in the first 2 years, our KPIs were the number of pilots. I don't have innovation fund. I don't have budget. The brands and the function working with Foundry as the one who have to fund the pilot. They're working with the startups. So we are paying the startups, not the startup paying us. But success look like how many people in the organization dare to experiment and work with startups. That was our initial KPIs. Today, that Foundry is established internally, established externally as well. The KPIs have evolved, and now we are judged about how many scale-ups. So we need to keep doing all those pilots. It's exactly like startups. The more pilots you do, the more likely you are to actually find a great scale-up opportunities. So today, the KPIs that I have are the number of startups that will scale within the business. Definition of scale is working with 10 markets or 8 to 10 brands. Just one thing I want to add on. It's very difficult because